SOLIDWORKS, you have access to the task pane in the right-hand side of your screen. Since the release of SOLIDWORKS 2019, you have been able to customize it to fit your need. Either click on any of the tabs or click on the cogwheel in the header and press Customize. You can hide or show different tabs by clicking the check mark. Reorganize them by dragging them to the location you want them, and decide which tab you want to be the default tab by pressing the Default button. When done, just press Close on the top right side and your changes are saved.